Today we are programming the S100 SensaMist Dispenser Diffuser. To do that, first we're going to start by programming the clock. So to program the clock, you press the set button. You'll see the hour starts blinking. So we're going to use the up and down arrow to change the hour. And then press the set button and it moves over to the minutes. And you'll see the minutes start blinking. We'll use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. So we're going to go down to 8 o'clock. And then press the set button, and at the top you'll see the days of the week start blinking. So again, we use the up and down arrows to adjust the days of the week. So we're going to put on Wednesday at 8 o'clock, and then press the set button, and now the clock is set. Next, we're going to program the event operational periods, the on and off periods. To do this, you will want to have an idea of how you want to program it. So whatever your hours of business are, have that in your mind beforehand. So for this programming, we are going to program Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 1700 or 5 o'clock. This is a 24-hour clock, so keep that in mind as you're programming. So to do this, first we're going to press the mode button. And the first screen you'll see is the on and off button, or when the event on or when it'll start spraying during the day. Press the set button and you will see the hour start blinking, and you'll adjust on and up and down using the up and down arrows. For this, we are going to do 8 a.m. So we have 8, press set, it goes to minutes. Minutes start blinking, use the up and down arrows to adjust that. So we're going to 8 a.m. And we're going to use this dispenser Monday through Friday. So press the set button again, and we see the days of the week at the top start blinking. There's several different options. So again, use the up and down arrows to adjust that. We're going to find Monday through Friday. Here we see Monday through Friday blinking, and press the set button again. Next we press the mode button and we go to the event off time. This is when the dispenser will stop spraying for the evening. Again, it's 24-hour clock. We're going to use the up and down arrows to adjust the hours. So we're going down to 1700, 5 o'clock in the evening. Press set and we'll go see the minutes start blinking. You again use the up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. And press set again. Now we don't have to do the days of the week here because that was already programmed during the event on. So we will just press mode and we go to the scent work. This is how long the dispenser will spray fragrance. This is figured in seconds, so the lowest is 5 seconds. And you can go up from there. So we're going to spray for 60 seconds. Now the longer you spray, the more intense the fragrance will be in the room, so keep that in mind. If it's a smaller room, you're going to want a lower setting. And of course in a larger room, you're going to want a higher setting or higher intensity. So we're going to do 60 seconds. So this will spray for 60 continual seconds. Press the mode, and this is the interval between sprays, the scent pause. So we again use the up and down arrows to adjust that, and we're going to go to 200 seconds between sprays. So it'll spray for 60 seconds, 200 seconds between sprays, and press mode, and then you will see event 2. Here just press mode to event 3, mode to event 4, and then mode back to our home screen. And now the SensaMist Diffuser is set for 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 1700, Monday through Friday, 60-second spray, and a 200-second interval spray.